Meet Mia. She's 22 years old, lives in Los Angeles. Her feed is a dream, perfectly curated outfits, breathtaking travel photos, and glowing skin that never seems to have a bad day. She's the epitome of modern beauty and influence. But here's the catch, Mia isn't real. She's an AI-generated model, created by a team of designers and programmers in a studio. In a world where social media is all about authenticity, how did we end up following someone who doesn't even exist? And more importantly, what does this mean for the future of influencers, brands, and even our own self-image? This is the story of the rise of AI Instagram models, a phenomenon that's reshaping the way we think about influence, identity, and the very nature of reality. The birth of AI models. It all started in 2016, when a mysterious Instagram account named Lil Miquela began posting photos of a strikingly beautiful, yet slightly uncanny, young woman. With her freckles, edgy fashion sense, and thoughtful captions, Miquela quickly gained a massive following. But soon, people began to notice something off. Her skin was too perfect, her movements too calculated. That's when the truth came out, Lil Miquela wasn't a real person. She was a CGI creation, brought to life by a Los Angeles-based startup called Brut. The internet was divided. Some were fascinated by the technology, while others felt deceived. But one thing was clear, Miquela had tapped into something powerful. She wasn't just a digital avatar, she was a brand, an influencer, and a cultural icon. Creating an AI model like Miquela is no small feat. It requires a team of artists, animators, and engineers working together to design every detail, from the way light reflects off their skin to the subtle movements of their lips when they speak. These models are built using cutting-edge CGI and machine learning, allowing them to look and act almost indistinguishable from real humans. Today, there are dozens of AI models like Miquela, each with their own unique style and personality. They're not just pretty faces, they're influencers, activists, and even musicians. But as their popularity grows, so do the questions about what their existence means for the rest of us. The appeal of perfection. So why are AI models so popular? For starters, they're flawless. They never age, never get tired, and never have a bad hair day. Brands love them because they're always camera-ready, always on message, and never involved in scandals. Take Shudha Graham, for example. Known as the world's first digital supermodel, Shudha has worked with major brands like Balmain and Fenty Beauty. Her hyper-realistic features and striking beauty have made her a favorite in the fashion world. But while AI models thrive, real influencers are struggling to keep up. The pressure to maintain a perfect image, post constantly, and stay relevant can be overwhelming. Many influencers face burnout, mental health issues, and public scrutiny. In contrast, AI models are immune to these challenges. They're designed to be perfect, and they always deliver. But here's the irony, while AI models are celebrated for their perfection, they're also raising questions about what it means to be real. In a world where digital personas can be just as influential as real people, where do we draw the line? The ethical dilemma. As AI models become more prevalent, they're sparking a heated debate about ethics and authenticity. One of the biggest concerns is the impact they have on our self-image. For many young people, scrolling through Instagram is already a minefield of unrealistic beauty standards. But when the influencers they follow aren't even human, it takes those standards to a whole new level. How can anyone compete with someone who's literally designed to be perfect? Another issue is transparency. Should AI models be required to disclose that they're not real? Right now, many of them operate in a gray area, leaving followers to wonder whether they're interacting with a person or a program. Experts warn that this lack of transparency could erode trust on social media. If we can't tell what's real and what's not, how do we know who, or what to believe? The future of influence. So where do we go from here? As technology continues to advance, the line between reality and fiction is only going to blur further. Some companies are already exploring the potential of AI models in virtual worlds. Imagine a future where your favorite influencer isn't just a face on your screen, but a fully interactive companion in the metaverse. They could attend virtual events, host live streams, and even interact with fans in real time. But will AI models replace human influencers entirely? Or will they coexist, each serving a different purpose? Some believe that AI models will handle the commercial side of influence, brand deals, ads, and product placements, while human influencers focus on authenticity and connection. One thing is certain, the rise of AI models is forcing us to rethink what it means to be an influencer, a creator, and even a human being in the digital age. Conclusion: the human connection. As we wrap up, let's return to Mia, the AI model who started this journey. She may not be real, but her impact is. She represents a new era of influence, one where technology and creativity collide to create something both fascinating and unsettling. But at the end of the day, the question remains, what do we value more, perfection or authenticity? As AI models continue to rise, it's up to us to decide what kind of future we want to build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. Are AI models the future of influence, or just a passing trend? Let's keep the conversation going.